Hey yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Dubstep Waffles, and today I got some packages from YouTube and Marvin brand. So, yeah, okay, let's check it out. All right, first off, let me get on my bed. I already opened this one from YouTube. Got really excited. It's a 100 subscribers. Play button. I know it's pretty good, pretty cool. You know, gotta start somewhere. Okay, guys, start the hashtag 100mil right now. Yo, 100mil subscribers. We can do it in 2 weeks. I can do it. I believe. Alright, now, let's check out the Marvin play button. Alright, check it out, y'all. It's 100 play button. Oh, 100. From Marvin Bucks Company. You already know it's gonna be fire. So, oh, okay. Woo. Yo, I'm rich. I don't need that Powerball lottery. I got some Marvin Bucks right here. You know, you guys, Melvin the Wizard. Some Marvin Bucks. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah. All right. So you saw that dude, right? Yeah. You didn't see it. Okay. Yeah. Well, that's pretty cool. Thank you, Marvin Brand, again. Thank you, YouTube, for the 100 subscriber play button. Now, all right. Peace out.